got 5 spinners here to tell you about. First one is one of the split ring spinners, and this one is in galvanized, and it has your stainless steel hardware on it. Second spinner here is another split ring hanger. This one is copper plated, and it too has the stainless steel hardware on it. Next spinner down we have another galvanized. This one's a little bit smaller. Actually, this one's a larger one. This is the 3/4 inch one with your stainless steel hardware. Next one, this is the other half, smaller half of the copper split ring. Spins well, and this one has the brass buttons on it, the brass hardware. And then my last spinner is the small spinner. This is my nickel spinner. Nickel buttons. Good spinner. With the made out of the conduit nuts. So all those are available right now.